Hello everyone, welcome to another DIY day here in Mama's Nook. The holidays are fast approaching, so it's time to get some festive decor going. Before I begin, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit the bell to be notified of new upcoming videos. The decor pieces I'm doing today are super fast and easy. Everything except the glue, the Epsom salts, and this one snowman is from Dollar Tree. So it's also very cost effective. So let's get going with the first project. Just going to take a clear square vase, add some Epsom salts. You can also use fake snow. I prefer the Epsom salts because it's whiter and stuff stands up in it a little bit better. So there's no need for glue. So we're just going to add a couple of trees. And stick in the snowman. Now it doesn't get any faster than that. Set that one aside. Next I have this clear vase, or perhaps it's a candle holder, I'm not sure. I guess you could use it for both. Again, add some Epsom salts. A couple of these little trees. Just push it down in there. And add this little red truck, which is actually an ornament. And lastly, I'm going to do a three-tiered fishbowl snowman. So again, add some Epsom salts. Hey, I told you this would be fast and easy. Okay, tree. Whoops. Butterfingers. Snowman, which again is an ornament, and I've just taken off the hanging part. And a tiny little pine cone. So that's the first layer. I'll just set it over here for a moment. Second layer. The tree, another snowman, and a little pine cone. I actually think these little pine cones came from Dollarama, not Dollar Tree. Okay, third layer. And a little pine cone. And now you glue the layers together. Now, if you want this to be permanent, then you need to use E6000. I do not want it to be permanent. I want to take it back apart because it would be too difficult to store. So I'm just going to take some hot glue and tack it in place. Just in a couple of spots. Just turn, make sure that top one. Okay, and now we have this top hat, which is also an ornament. And we're going to stick it on the top here. And we'll finish it off with a scarf. This is just a piece of fleece that I cut from a scarf, also from Dollar Tree, and I fringed the ends. And we're just going to tie it here under the first little layer. Just okay, and our snowman is done. So in no time at all, here are 3 decor pieces for the holidays. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Until next time, bye for now.